Alright. What's happened here? We're having a barbecue over there. I wonder if we've set it off.
I don't think so.
Well, they might just be testing it.
They might. Well, you need to get yourself a couple of wheelbarrows full of shop sand, which is in those bags there. Use the smallest one first. And what I need you to do is block this down.
Okay. I didn't set it off.
Out of the building. Out of the building, please.
We're having a barbecue and we were wondering if we've set it off.
Yes, you have.
Have we?
Yes. You've set the smoke alarm off.
Oh dear.
Okay, but
You can charge me if you want for doing that.
everybody's got to come here, because if we don't come here, health and safety will go mental. They'll go more mental if we haven't come to the meeting point.
Do you want me to tell me tutor that we've set it off?
Yeah, well, we know you've set it off. Right, you need to come this way.